On the filler panel, where the filler panel that runs the width of the car under the grill attaches to the fender, you've got two bolts that go through, and they're nearly impossible to get to. You're going to have a really tough time getting those out. So what I have to do is got to remove this piece. It's a splash guard. So it fastens up to the bottom of the filler panel, right up there, and this piece attaches to the fender here and here, and then to the filler panel here and here, and this part attaches to the fender well right there. So remove that, take that out. The sheet metal nuts on the back side here were just spinning, so I had to cut them off with the cutoff wheel on the grinder. So that's off. Now I'll show you where those bolts are. So now you can see without the this is the other side, but without the splash guard on here, that you can now get to these two bolts. This one looks like it was either removed or broke off, I guess, in the collision. But so anyways, now I've already cleaned the threads and lubricated this one, so we will give it a shot now. Let me make sure this isn't in your way and you can see it. Yeah, probably. Now, I'm assuming that this is coming out and not just spinning. I'll try it a bit longer. If it's just spinning, then I've got some work ahead of me. Looks like it might be coming out. Let's see. Yeah, I got some space in there behind the washer, so it looks like it's coming out. Yep. I've taken other Impalas apart where you pretty much had to destroy that bottom part of the fender or the filler panel just to get it apart. When it was really rusty. This is a very difficult spot to get a cutoff wheel in there or that kind of thing. Sometimes you wind up going at it with a sawzall and destroying the filler panel or the fender, whichever part you want to sacrifice. But there you have it.